Hi guys. So it's gonna be an impromptu vlog, nothing special. We're just gonna do all 4 parks in one day. No big deal.
No big deal.
Yeah. So Chelsea and Liz are in town for literally like what, 24 hours?
Yep.
If that. Yep. Yeah, I see. We're going up the escalator. So we just got done with breakfast, which is good. So we're gonna head over to Magic Kingdom to start.
Park number 1.
Yeah.
The best part, by the way.
Let's do it.
Look who I got, by the way.
Wait, who's it? Oh. It's your other husband?
My other husband.
Got a ticket printed?
And safety of those around you. Please walk slowly and carefully to your next destination. Thank you.
Good morning.
Hi. All right, so now that we're in Magic Kingdom, what's the plan for today?
We have made it. We have a we have a lightning lane for Haunted Mansion at 9:05. We're gonna first do Pirates because Chelsea has to do Pirates. Has to. So we're gonna hit Pirates, then jump to Haunted Mansion, reserve our lightning lane for something in Animal Kingdom, which we're heading there next. I did just buy a individual attraction for Tron, and then we're hopefully be out of the park by 10:30. We have to also get a snack.
Yes, we
Something
do.
to eat here.
churros.
Chelsea just bought a Magic Band because she forgot that
You
she
can put it on your Apple
on her
Watch.
Apple Watch. And we just learned you cannot buy regular Magic Bands in the park anymore.
Nope.
You can only get Magic Band Plus. But at the resorts, right? You can still get
possibly, yeah.
We'll see. But yeah, should be fun.
Yeah. All that to say, it's going to be a busy day today, so we got to stay focused, but we're going to have fun.
Yes, it's like the Amazing Race.
Right.
Jack Sparrow.
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't jump on.
Alright, I'm gonna try it. You're telling me I don't have to turn this on. I can just hold it up to it.
Correct.
Let's see, I'll have my ticket. I really spent my money.
You sure did. On a Magic Band you didn't need.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? Actually, we have not. Listen. Beware of the shining noses. They have selected you to fill our camp and will haunt you until you return.
Isn't this fun?
So much fun.
This is the best ride ever.
Rides we've done in less than an hour.
So the plan today is to do in each park 1 attraction at least and 1 food item at least. And we are at Friar's Nook here in Fantasyland. We have cinnamon donut holes, they're huge. And then gravy tots. Are you excited?
Yeah, those tots look actually really good.
Okay, they smell good too, so let's dig in.
quest into the world of Tron.
So excited. This is so pretty.
Initiate in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
So Liz, what do you think of Tron?
It was great. It was totally great. A little scary.
Yeah?
But I loved it. Absolutely loved it.
Alright, so what are we doing now?
Heading to Animal Kingdom.
Alright, park number 2. Let's get into it.
Chelsea's lips. Oh, I'll put it on while you're recording.
And as we do that, so we just left Magic Kingdom and we're now in the Animal Kingdom parking lot. What did we think of Magic Kingdom?
We did 4 attractions.
Yeah, it's magical.
It was great.
We ordered 2 food items. Chelsea bought a Magic Band Plus.
That I did not need.
Did we charge it yet?
It's charging now.
Oh, okay.
It's the Magic Band Plus, so it'll vibrate once we see the fireworks at Epcot.
I think if you're spending money and you understand the concept of Genie Plus and individual lightning lanes, and you're willing to spend the money, we've proved this before, you can do a lot. It's almost like you're kind of like VIP to an extent without the VIP tour guide.
Yeah.
And it's considerably less money than that, but...
I'll never not have Genie Plus.
So, what did we book for Animal Kingdom, Liz?
Kilimanjaro Safaris at 11:35.
So it's 11:37 right now.
Yeah.
So we have an hour.
We have an hour basically to get in. Chelsea really wants a hot dog.
Yeah.
Real bad.
It's important.
I want some sort of beverage, like a soda or
It's time for a carbonated beverage.
I was gonna say it's time for a cocktail.
Oh,
Thank you, TJ.
Oh,
this is who
this
I
is
want here.
actually a great park for cocktails.
And we should go to the lounge back by Dinosaur.
Ooh, yeah.
Fun
Club
fact,
30
this is only
Club
my,
33?
The pass holder lounge.
this is only my second time ever at Animal Kingdom. So, just wanted you guys to know that.
All right, let's do it.
We're not getting in right now.
He said it's not finger.
Yeah.
Should I do Everest?
Oh, she's like on it.
They poached out in the wild for their horns, which are made of keratin, the same material as our hair and fingernails. But just like our hair and nails have prevented those horns on the rhino will continue to here because they do not have any horns. But the horns of the male Grandicuti can reach a whopping 6 feet long, believe it or not. Very indeed. Let's see their Baxter mating season, almost like they're blushing, and they do prefer to feed in quieter, fat corners like these. Bunch of them there. Now the name for group hippos is a bloat, and the name for group of pelicans is a pod. Also a pod. The can reach heights approximately 17 feet tall. They're well known for their incredibly long prehensile tongues, which can reach lengths in the area. Hi, friends. They are gentle giants, and the Sacrap certainly has a very powerful king with their legs alone are between 6 and 8 feet tall. The shock that baby giraffe is taking its very first breath of life. And I think with that weight, it really is a beautiful thing.
Wow.
No giant.
That's kooky. So pretty.
We'll see the Now, another reason why the elephants are hanging up on the clay pits back there is because they have highly sensitive skin. I look pretty thick and tough on the surface, but it is in fact very sensitive. I'm gonna head back there to the clay pits, rub some of that clay right onto their backs.
Oh, right there. Oh, look at that. Pause. Please pause. Please pause.
Thank you there. I get more brave if we keep going here.
Okay, good.
Look at right here, believe it or not, they cannot see us one bit. They don't have the best eyesight. They can only see about 10 feet in front of their faces, and what they can see is mainly shadow. So way back in the beginning, as they received their names, white violets of miscommunication. They were to a name for their wide mouths up to graze of the grown adults. This is just about as big as they're gonna get, hence their name for groups. They are long enough to commonly domesticated animals out here on the reserve, the other being the ankle, the cattle. And they're domesticated by the villagers who are made for their milk. The milk is very sweet taste, and it's beneficial to us villagers, both nutritionally and financially. Those goats are also known for their highly playful nature as well. And it's their playful nature that helps them to establish dominance within the group.
So we stopped for lunch finally. I think we all got the same thing.
We did.
Yeah.
So we ended up getting the mac and cheese with the pulled pork on top.
Crispy
Barbecue
onions.
sauce. Yeah.
This is one of the best things.
Coleslaw.
Animal Kingdom to eat.
Yeah.
The girls got some wine. TJ got a specialty cocktail of some sort.
It has gummy worms at the bottom.
And then
He's on his second
this is a mocktail type drink. It needs to be stirred a little bit. And then we have a great view of Everest and whatever the name of the body of water here is. This is a nice little spot, especially on such a nice day.
All right.
High tails.
We hope you enjoyed your visit to Epcot and World Showcase. Did you learn how to say hello?
All right, 204 done. We parked at Epcot, and now we're headed to Hollywood Studios. How we feeling?
Via the Skyliner.
Yes.
A little tired. Amazing.
A little
tired. This all day.
I need
Soon
water.
we'll be
Yeah,
flying past
agreed.
Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Village.
That too.
This charming
We had a little bit, but the
resort
stuff we had
offers
wasn't the greatest.
magical lounges,
Not gonna lie.
enchanted
I think I'm gonna
restaurants, and live
Get
entertainment
water
on
at the
the
studios
boardwalk
and then
every
save
evening.
drinking for Epcot.
I second that.
I'm gonna do both. Yeah. That's exactly what I was gonna say.
Just kidding.
I will have water at both, and I will have alcohol.
It's
at
just
both.
because Epcot has better alcohol, I would say.
More variety.
The other parks outside of Epcot don't have like quality. Like our drinks were pre-mixed. Even yours wine was in plastic
Yeah.
at Animal Kingdom.
But I like the bar at Indiana Jones. They make proper cocktails there.
Oh, do they?
If they're not mixed, yeah.
Oh wow, I didn't
Wait,
know
is
that.
there an Indiana Jones ride?
Show?
It's a show. Right. It's like a stunt show. You see how they were made. That's right. I remember that. I remember now.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa. That's too damn bad.
Park 3. Woo.
Park 3.
You seem so enthused.
We're doing it. We're doing it.
We're all a little tired.
Very good. A few brand new crew members and a few returning for another mission. Excellent! You will be intercepting a first order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you.
Safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Back on the stick to
What am I doing? Sorry, guys!
Wow.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I was gonna do that. Nope.
Left pilot, hit the boosters.
Okay, sorry.
Let's go get that coaxium.
Oh, am I supposed to be going up there?
Make the jump to light speed.
Okay.
Do it.
What's this? Do it! I told you I didn't want to do this! Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up. Okay.
We can harpoon that last car. Behind the train.
I'm sorry. I'm trying. Oh, that's not me. Oh my God, it's me.
Shoot the train. Engineers, reel us through.
I'm sorry.
Gunship. Oh, that's
Oh my God.
Yes, a destruction! Fire the missiles at the train!
You guys, I can't look at it. My eyes are closed because I'm gonna puke.
The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get up!
Here we go. Come say hi.
Hello, how are you?
How are you?
Liz, you want to go first?
Chelsea, you can use your words.
I can't use my words. I'm at the top right now.
How are you? Safe, Max.
Yeah, now can we all three get it correct?
Get the next one.
Okay.
Get the next.
Cheers.
Cheers.
With his water.
Are we using water?
Have a good one. Thank you. Enjoy.
So whatever side I'm on, like, I can slide there, I can slide everywhere.
What did she say?
What did you say? I said what did you say?
You look dusty.
You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Row 6, top left. Thank you.
I'll choke on it.
You are the passengers of a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you.
Back to the Grand Floridian. We'll like pop in later for dinner.
Yeah.
Anyway. Or we'll just go straight through all 12 hours.
Yeah.
Depends. Would we like to see him? Hi. Last park, here we go.
A 4. How we feeling?
I feel good.
That premium bar helped the boost of energy. Good.
It's kind of warm. It's not humid, but it's warm right now.
Yeah.
So I just need some AC for like a good straight out.
Good luck. That means we're getting on Remy tonight.
Last one. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, my body hurts.
You're the youngest out of all of us. You're fine.
Right, isn't that sad? I'm 16. I'm a grandmother.
How old are you? 16. I'm my grandmother.
We're gonna go soaring, flying. You have I can do it from either side. Whatever more convenient. You need to try to use that in some way.
I have to because it costs me, well, not that much, but enough. I do like it though. I'm excited that I have it.
My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information.
I'll take care of the bucket seat.
Soar into tower. We are ready for takeoff.
Put those grippers away!
Killer whale, not a orca.
Ma'am?
No, the difference.
It's a killer whale.
They're the same.
They're not the same.
What do you mean? Covia.
Princess.
Oh my god, we're just here. To be loyal, brave, and
On behalf of our entire flight crew,
new fear unlocked.
Was that ride 8?
Like, no.
7 or 8?
8.
I think it was 8. And now we're heading to Fig.
We'll blur it out. I knew I recognized it. I just couldn't figure out what it was. Anytime I see Robin Williams videos.
Really
Thank God.
necessary. Thank you.
Such a long line. I'm so glad we used it.
Drive-through open house. I'm Dr. Channing, chairman of the Imagination Institute. Hello. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination. Oh, can I go too? Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
With F-I-G-M-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. That's part of light. Can write your fantasy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see.
This is when I knew I loved the casino.
You win 1 cent.
But don't! Oh, yeah, that really stinks.
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. One awful whip.
And so, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
One little spark of inspiration is at the heart of all creation.
Why? Why are you stressed?
Running out of time.
For what?
I have to buy a Remy. a little Remy or yeah, on my way out. Finally doing Remy. Dad jokes.
Chef Wendy is waiting for you. This one.
Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
Oh.
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Hey. We are home.
It is 9:48.
It feels like it's 3 a.m.
Because we left the house at when? 7?
7:30.
7:30.
Like 7:30. Yeah.
It was a long day.
So what did you girls think? Was it $270+? Actually, it's really what, like
It was worth it.
$300 worth?
I think it was
after
like 2 park days worth.
We did a lot.
9 attractions, a little bit of food in each park.
Snacks.
All the food was pretty good
Pretty
too.
good, yes.
Yeah.
Especially
Except
the Animal Kingdom
for
lunch.
your dinner. You didn't enjoy your dinner.
Well, the dinner was fine. The flavor was fine. It was passable, but
We got a
the
whole
chicken portion was yikes.
Yeah,
So
whole thing of sour cream.
non-existent.
That much sour cream.
So I went back to the manager actually, up to the front, and the manager came out and gave me additional portion of chicken in a separate container.
Yeah.
I will say the bowl was warm, so it wasn't like the quality or the flavor. It was the portion of chicken. But
how many attractions did we get done today?
9.
9 attractions.
Damn, should've gone for
We
that.
saw Goofy and Max.
She saw her husband.
We saw Goofy and Max. We saw Pinocchio and
my
Geppetto. We
stepson.
saw Baloo.
We saw the evil stepsisters.
You wouldn't have
Hollywood
needed,
Studios.
Baloo, you wouldn't have needed a park ticket to meet him.
Just
True.
Just
We saw
outside.
Dopey and Grumpy.
I thought it was a successful day. The only way we could have done this is on a day like today when the weather was not bad. If this was a July, August, even a June, July, August, September day, forget about it.
Even I would have said no.
Yeah.
No way.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Only do 4 parks if the weather is cool. But we are sticky.
Next time we're gonna do 6
We're
parks.
all gonna shower individually.
Liz wasn't gonna
Shower.
Wow.
That's it. Anything else you
That's
want
it.
to say to wrap things up?
No, yeah, it was just an impromptu vlog, yeah, nothing special.
Thanks for having us, boys.
Thank you so
Appreciate
much.
Yeah, this was
a beautiful
fun.
30-hour trip.
If you have any questions, any tips for doing all 4 parks, put them down in the comments. The other thing I'll say, having a car is helpful.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because
having
doing
a
it
car.
with Disney transportation would be a lot harder.
Yeah, it will just take longer between parks.
We did all kinds of transportation too.
That's right.
Air, land, and sea.
Monorail, boat.
Yeah, actually, no, she's right. Yeah.
All right.
Monorail.
Yeah.
Skyliner.
Boat.
Boat.
Car.
We just didn't do a Disney bus, technically, but that's okay. We're not missing
We were
much.
still on wheels.
So put your suggestions in the comments. Any questions on maybe what you should do in the comments. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
All right, bye guys.
Bum, 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 bum.